Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video we'll be seeing operators in JavaScript. The first one is arithmetic operators, second one is comparison operators, third one is logical operators, fourth is assignment operators, and the last is the condition or ternary operator. Okay, now we'll first see arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? Okay, so first one is addition operator. So if you want to add two variable values or two values, you use addition operator, and this is plus or done by the plus sign. Next one is subtraction operator, which is written as minus. Okay, now next is multiplication operator. That is, if suppose you have two variables a and b, you'll be writing it as a into b. Next is division operator. Next is mod operator. Okay, so mod will give remainder. Next is plus plus, that is increment operator, and then decrement operator. Now next are comparison operators. Comparison operators are used when you are checking for some condition. So these are used with the help of two signs. Equals to means you are checking whether a is equals to b, and not equals to means you are checking whether a is not equals to b. Greater than is checking, you are checking whether a greater than b or not. Less than, you are checking a less than b or not. Greater than or equals to, here we are using, here we are checking either it is greater than or equals to. Even one condition is true, it will return true. Now next is less than or equals to, and if it is less than or equals to, if a is less than or equals to true, it will return true. Here is simple example, just go through it. Variable a is having value 10, b is having 20. Then I'm checking the condition in document, in the brackets. Okay, here a equals to b, and I'm storing it in result and writing the result, and it is returning true if a is equals to b. Here a is not equals to b, that is why it will return false. Again next, if a less than b, that is true. A greater than b is false. Again, if a not equals to b, that will return true. Okay, and a greater than or equals to b, that is false. Now we'll see here what is going to be the output displayed. As I told you while discussing, a is not equals to b, a is less than b, that is true. Greater than b, false. A not equals to b, true, and a greater than b, true, false. Okay, I'll be showing you in the code. Okay, for now I'm just explaining the theory. Now next one, logical operators. What is logical operators? They will also return true or false, and they are written with help of the two combined operators and. Okay, a and b, if a and b both are true, it is going to return true. Or means if either of them is true, it is going to return true. And not operator will return if a not a b or not a, then it will return, if a is positive true, it will return false. Now next is bitwise operators. Okay, bitwise operators is and, or, XOR, and left shift, right shift, and bitwise not. Okay, we are having 6 operators, and those we'll be seeing in the practical session. Okay, this was about the operators in JavaScript. We'll be seeing the exact practical in next video. Thank you.